A huge amount of resource is being wasted. NASA's committed to getting back to the moon. They've had to put it back a year because they're short of money, but they're now saying they'll put a man back on the moon by 2025. They have a longer term plan to put human beings on Mars. But is it any of this really very useful? Maybe we are misspending our money. Maybe the people like Jeff Bezos and Elon Musk and others who've become obsessed with space, they're wasting their money too. We have so many problems to fix on this planet of ours.
For many people who utter this, they see this great expense of rockets and telescopes and moonships, and then they say, we can do that, but we can't solve it. And I say, well, how much money do you think we're actually spending up there? And they will come up with a number that's typically 10 times what we're actually spending. And I said, okay, you know why they think that? Because when NASA does anything, it's way more visible than when anybody else spends money in the federal government. I will tell you, one of the great forces operating on whether a kid wants to go into science is, are there places they can dream? Are there? And I say, yeah, we're going to the moon. You want to be the first kid on Mars? Yes. Yes. And they dream. They find out, I actually want to be an engineer, or I want to be a mathematician. And all of a sudden, you have something that stokes the educational pipeline with ambitions of students that dream about wanting to do something scientific and technological in this world. And those are the advances that brings about the changes that feed people, that create health and wealth and security.